Hey guys, James in Vegas here. Just wanted to do another update on my micro studio. I've added a couple of things since the last update, and I just wanted to go through them with you real fast. So this won't take long, so go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. And this is a new camera phone, so I'm trying to figure out where oh, there it is. I'm trying to figure out where my lens is, so if I'm looking all cattywampus at you, I apologize in advance. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take you on a quick little tour of what I've added and some of the things that you've probably seen before. Let's go. Okay, so right here, we have the closet. One of the things I added to the closet was some curtains. Curtains actually make a big difference because it hides your clothes and your clothes doesn't look cluttered when it's, they're all hanging in there. But it also helps with cooking odors. From getting on your clothes, because yes, I do cook in here. Even though it's 175 square feet, I do actually cook in here. So the curtains help prevent the smoke and any of the cooking smell that may linger around here from getting on your clothes. At least that's the theory. No one's told me I smell like steak or anything, so that's a good thing. But a couple of things I've added in here are some storage bins, because since I don't have drawers, I need to have a way to store socks and underwear, that sort of thing. And since I am going to with the mid-century modern look and the color schemes of it, I got two of each color of those bins and used two of them there in the closet, and the other two you'll see in a minute underneath the coffee table. So yes, I did get my coffee table in. Actually still working on the Murphy bed, but I'm hoping to get that here shortly. Also added a soap dispenser, and since it's dawn, it goes with my color scheme as well. If you haven't seen this before, that is an air purifier. It's a HEPA filter. Helps with the odors and the smells and that sort of thing, especially since I have a little dog here. I did add this knife holder because I have limited space in my drawers, so I figured I'd get my knives up and out of the way. Ignore the little tablet there. I'm actually processing some videos for work, so there's that. Down here I did get finally an organizer for my silverware, well, my flatware, because it's actually gold and it's not real gold, but it's flatware. And that matches nicely with my mid-century modern, my teal blue plate set, dishes, whatever. I did add some, little adult beverages there, along with some plastic or acrylic, actually, glasses, because we have the rooftop decks, and you can't have glassware up there, so I figured I'd get that, match it with the color scheme of the design idea that I'm doing. And they're actually quite nice. I was really surprised. Being acrylic, I thought I wouldn't like them. I don't know if I showed you this middle cabinet since I got some other stuff, but my crock pot fits really well. My pasta machine fits really well, as well as my little blender, because I do smoothies and that sort of thing. So that all fits pretty well in there. You may or may not have seen my love seat. So there is my love seat. Fits really nice. I got some space underneath for some storage and that sort of thing. And then here is my coffee table. So my coffee table came in, and it is perfect. I did put a couple of those bins down there, so I have more storage down there as well. They work out really well. This stand here is actually a work in progress. I am building a one-pole YouTube studio, and they're based off some of the videos that I found on YouTube. I can't remember the names of the channels, but they're based on that. There's my little dog's bed. She's not in it right now. I don't even know where she's at. She's behind me. My TV's usually sitting up on the coffee table here for now, just because I'm still building the Murphy bed. The plan is to have the TV mounted on the bottom of the Murphy bed, and then when the bed lays down, it'll actually lay over the top of my coffee table. and theoretically I won't have to move it or anything. I did get a couple of extra chairs because I've actually had some visitors. So let me put this down real quick and show you these folding chairs. It's pretty important to have extra seating when you have visitors in a small spot, because not everybody is going to want to sit on the love seat with me. I'm just going to open this up real quick and then I'll show you a little closer. Okay, let me grab the camera here. So that is the folding chair. I've actually got two of them, and they're actually very nice. I was really surprised of the quality. So I can set those two up. So I have two of them, and then, you know, two people that are friends, close friends, can sit together on that love seat and you know, watch a movie, hang out, have some drinks or whatever. But I did test that out. Was it? Yeah, last weekend. Had 3 people over here plus me, and didn't stay very long because we were heading out to Fremont Street, but turned out pretty good. I was really happy. I'll be even happier when my Murphy bed is finished, so I'm hoping next week. Almost got everything assembled. It's not going to be painted next week, but I'm hoping to have it installed next week. But we'll see how that goes. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. And like I said, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I do upload some more. And I am hoping, at least I'm thinking, my next one will probably be after Father's Day, and will be the Murphy bed being installed, or after it's installed, because it's a bit of a bear to actually build that darn thing. And then I know getting it installed is going to be a pain in the ass because it's pretty big, and I didn't take all the measurements into account for like the heights of the doors, the size of an elevator, that sort of thing. So it's going to be a little bit of a shit show, and I don't want to video that. I kind of do, but it's going to be a lot of work. So I'll probably give you an update after it's already been installed and operational to some degree. But anyway, there's my tour. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.